Hi everybody, welcome back to House of Miracles Learning Adventures channel. Today we will learn how to talk about objects that are near and far. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is a mirror. These are shelves. Both sentences show objects that are near. That is an armchair. Those are towels. Both sentences show objects that are far. This is a cushion. These are sinks. This is, we use for a singular noun. These are, when they are plural. That is a wash basin. Those are toilets. That is, we use for a singular noun. Those are, when they are plural. This is a fridge. These are ovens. Objects are near us. That is a toothbrush. Those are microwaves. Objects are far from us. This is a house. These are blocks of flats. Objects are near us. That is a plant. Those are bushes. Objects are far from us. This is a washing machine. These are kettles. Objects are near us. Remember, this is a leaf. These are leaves. We say when objects are near us, that is a leaf. Those are leaves we say when objects are far from us. Take the quiz now. Good luck. Use this is, these are, that is, or those are. Did you say, those are? Yes, those are knives. Did you say this is? Yes, this is a pan. Did you say that is? Yes, that is an oven. Did you say those are? Yes, those are pots. Did you say this is? Yes, this is a dandelion. Did you say those are? Yes, those are children. Did you say these are? Yes, these are notebooks. Did you say this is? Yes, this is an eraser. Did you say that is? Yes, that is a sharpener. Did you say these are? Yes, these are staplers. Hey, you've learned how to talk about objects that are near and far from you. Well done. You were amazing. For more enjoyable videos, subscribe to our channel and keep learning.